I'm Emily and I'm here at BeautyFix Medspa. I'm so excited to try my exosome treatment with a Hydrafacial and we're doing it ASMR style.
Okay, we're starting off with some cleansing. Today, we're focusing on decongesting our skin. Using steam, we're going to open up our pores for some extractions. Whoa, that was a good one. It's time to go in with the exosomes. These are going to get massaged into the skin for maximum absorption. Exosomes can also be used with treatments like microneedling and Morpheus V. All clean.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're interested in more videos like this, click here or click here, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!